All right, so then continue. Number 5. A maximum of the 25 should study under one teacher. If there are more than 25, but fewer than 40, an assistant is appointed to help him in their instructions. If there are more than 40 students, 2 teachers are appointed. Okay, so let's see from the beginning and we're going to explain. Maximum of 25 students should study under one teacher. But today in yeshivas, I mean, in all that I don't know many, but some are there, it's much less. It's not 25, it's not even 20. In many of them, like it's 15 or less in a class, so it's very proficient, of course. A maximum 25 students study under one teacher. If there are more than 25, but fewer than 40, assistant is appointed to help him in the instruction. An assistant, so who is assistant? Commentary. Not the commentary of the Nimukei Yosef to Baba Basra 21a, which resolved the apparent contradiction between Rambam's decision and that passage. Rabbeinu Asher interpreted the passage differently. Okay. So they needed assistance. Is appointed to help him in their instructions. 28. Rashi Baba Basra states that assistant would listen to the verses read by the teacher and then lead the children in their repetition. So I guess maybe somebody younger, more energetic with a strong voice. And that's the assistant. Okay. Continue. If there are more than 40 students, commentary, class should be divided. So, right. 2 teachers are appointed. So it's not like one teacher and 2 assistants. No, you need 2 teachers. More than 40, 2 teachers. Commentary. 2 conclusions can be derived from these statements. A. 25 students is the maximum class size desired. B. This is the minimum service which community is required to afford its children. Meaning to have a class for 25 children. Shulchan Aruch Harav, Hilchot Talmud Torah 1.3 said that the above applies only to instruction of written law. Instruction in more complicated realms of the study requires even smaller classes. So here is like the reading Humash, that's one thing. Now they try to do Mishnah or Halachah or Gemara, so it's much complicated. However, a parent cannot demand of such instruction to be provided from communal fund. It's very interesting, right? As explained in the commentary to Halachah 1, chapter 1, Halachah 12, okay. Today, the goals of the study differ from those previous generations. On that basis, some schoolmasters excuse the willingness to exceed the limit on the teacher-student ratio mentioned here. I mean, as we said before, in olden days, there were no books. So most of the material that these children had to commit to memory. They knew by heart. Right? So today is a little different. Today we have books, but I'm not sure. This big class and everybody was different level of study. I'm not sure how is it manageable and how proficient is it. Probably not so much. Others state that they would like to establish such a ratio, but financial pressure prevents them from doing so. So financial pressure, meaning what? Not all of the parents are able to pay, right? And some of them are looking for excuses, and some will lie on applications and stuff like that. So it's even though the child is accepted, okay, it's a great issue, but guess what? Because of all of these extra people, so there is no they have no money, and there is a little money coming in. There is no way for them to hire an extra teacher, right? So very interesting.